This side says $0 and this side says $1,000. Give it a flip. Yeah, big money. Hey! Okay, hold up. Now you can keep that $1,000 or you can risk it to flip this. This side is $0 and this side is $10,000.
For sure.
I want it at least above your head.
All right.
And... Wait, what? You can risk your $10,000 for a chance at $20,000. But this side still says $0. Do it, do it, do it. $40,000 or $0.
I want to settle for this one.
Would you rather have this $10,000 in cash or this key that goes to something expensive? You have 10 seconds to decide.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, we hate money.
Right around this corner over here, you'll see where this key goes to. Okay, cover his eyes. All right, face that way. Javier, take your hat off.
No way! No way!
A brand new car. Guess how much it's worth?
More than 10 grand.
It's worth $26,000. One of these diamonds is worth $25, and one of these diamonds is worth $6,000. Go ahead, you can touch them, do whatever you want.
I'm stressed.
So can you tell any difference between the two diamonds? What does that mean?
It looks plastic. My hands are like this.
That one's heavier. That means that's the diamond.
It's this one.
So your choice is this diamond.
My diamond. No way. The most important thing we got out of this?
Until you leave them, it's over.
You can count as high as you want, and every single number you count, I will give you $1 at the end of it. The only stipulation is if you skip a number, you go back to zeros. Go ahead, start. Do not let her skip a number. Next up is Juliana. You can take $2,000 in cash or shoot a free throw for $10,000.
I'm gonna shoot it back.
Wait, really? Okay. Okay. I'm a little nervous. This is $10,000.
I'm thinking.
Okay. Chandler, stop talking.
Here you go. First time.
Here you go. Plop that cash in here. This is now your briefcase full of money. Congratulations on your money. I've always wondered if I dropped tons of money, how much could you catch? Let's find out. Let's do a little shrinkage. All right, Chandler, join us. Whatever you catch, you can keep, by the way. Oh, what if we throw it out? Hey! Let's go, boys! Chandler, hit it off the ceiling.
I never answer to no man.
The money is literally stuck in the ceiling. How much money did you catch?
$1,929.
And according to Google, that's when the Great Depression hit. Yeah! Up next is Noah. Now I want you to pick hat, shirt, or umbrella. He was very confident in that. Are you ready?
Ready for what?
There's $8,071 in this box. Whatever you catch, you can keep. Here we go. Oh! Oh, you're dropping it.
I'm holding too hard.
Okay.
You're dropping more.
Somehow, Noah caught $1,920, exactly $9 less than the other guy.
Now, I do need to ask you, though, would you be willing to take $1,900 for yourself?
How about if you beat a different challenge, I might consider it. Okay. Noah, come on over. There's 10 cups here. One has a cheese ball in it. If you pick it, I will give you Chris's Tesla. I'm fine. It's not this one. There. Okay, now you have a 1 in 9 chance. I'm not doing that again. I'm going to go over here.
By the way, if you will.
You gonna pick? Wait!
No way!
Did he actually get it?
I'm giving away my car again.
Wait, I really ran.
There's only one. How did you do that? I cannot believe I just won a Tesla.
Do you mind unlocking it for me?
I kind of want my new Tesla.
Listen to this sound. Sounds like a car. And listen to sound number 2. Also sounds like a car. But here's the thing, only one of those sounds is an actual car, and the other is fake. Guess which one? You get a car?
You can get a shift in the set.
I really like the shifting that I can do. I'm gonna go with number 1 for sure.
I'm going to show you where we got audio clip number 1. might be able to tell by now, I don't handle people losing well. Take over, Carl.
Oh no, look, your car's coming. No, drive mine. No, I don't like that car.
Come on with your trumpet.
We got more to film. We have some news we have to break. We have 1 hour starting now. And then we're going to come back up.
We also have to restart.
No. Here's how it works, Troy. If you guess the cup with the car key, you win the car. You go over here.
Gosh, you're smart, Jimmy.
Hover over the cup you think has the car key.
Don't touch it. 25% chance.
All right. You want to lift it up? Go.
Let's go!
Let's take him outside and show him his brand new car. Ta-da!
Watch out!
Oh. All right. Hop on in.
I'm feeling really good. I won a car, dude. We good.
The girls' timer just hit 0. Formation, boys.